So, got a beautiful F350 today, 2020 model, power stroke diesel. At the surface, just looks like a really nice, well-equipped XLT, which it is. Reasonably low mileage and a single owner, and a very meticulous owner that actually took the time to put Michelin tires on his truck. We have not washed or cleaned this vehicle. This is exactly the way it came into us. We will be detailing it, but a very rust-free, clean truck. But the stock and normalness ends when you come around the back of this vehicle with its auto grip wheel lift loader, Sneaky Pete style, repo. AJ's gonna demonstrate. All remote control. You can do it from in the truck, outside the truck. Everything operates flawlessly. And then behind there, you've got a hidden away winch, which actually also has a wireless controller. No need to pull it out right now, but all ease to use. So this truck could be used for a recovery truck, a repo truck, a winch out truck, or a AAA truck, because behind the ARE snug top cap is a slide system, a storage box. That must be the floor mat for the truck, but a cargo glide. And again, for this truck to be unclean, you can see the quality. Several storage areas, LED lights. This truck would make an extremely good side-of-the-road service truck. Overload rear springs, strobe lights. A couple of them are out, which will be fixed when we put it through service. FX4 off-road, Michelin tires, alloy wheels. $65,000 miles, larger screen, power options, trailer brake control. And again, we will be detailing this truck, so it will look like $1,000,000, but not bad for how clean this truck came in. This man was very, very picky. We dropped him off a brand new truck, picked this one up, and he was actually upset that his guys did not have it any cleaner than it currently was. So 6.7 power stroke, all the options, XLT, remote control, wheel lift, auto grip. Use this truck as a tow truck, use it as a recovery truck, use it as a AAA service truck. It should qualify for about anything that you want to do with it. This one doesn't suit your fancy, obviously. 300 other trucks that may. In stock at Davis Auto Sales. Check the lineup across the street. Looking pretty good on our flatbeds. That's 5 or 6 or 7 out of the 50 in stock right now. Or your custom truck, whatever you want. Check us out, davisautosales.com or davis4x4.com.